they still treat me like I was a baby. I don't need some old seatbelt.
Hi, Rachel. What's that sad face all about?
My mom and dad always make me strap myself in with that yucky old seatbelt.
Oh, really?
Yeah, seatbelts are baby stuff, and I'm not a baby, and I'm not going to wear one no matter what anyone says. Not even you, Otto.
Oh, I wasn't going to say anything. I can see how proud you are of being so grown up, and how much you want to do things like a big person. So, I was thinking, maybe you'd like to take an interesting little ride with me,
I'm ready. Let's go. Oh, no. I don't want to wear a seatbelt.
I think it's important that you do wear one.
You can't make me.
I'm not even going to try. But we're not going on our ride until you do.
Oh, all right.
Liftoff in 2 minutes. All astronauts on board, please.
Gee, I wish I could go too.
Mission Control grants your wish, Rachel. Join the crew.
Oh, wow.
9, 8, 7.
Do I have to
6,
use the seatbelt?
5,
Buckle up, Rachel. You're slowing up the countdown.
2, 1. Liftoff. We have liftoff.
Somebody forgot to strap in the jelly beans again. How are we going to clean them up?
I'll help. Go.
What's the speed limit around here, officer?
10,000 miles per hour, Iceman.
Why do we have to go so slow?
There are meteors around here, Noodle Nose, that's why.
Oh, thanks for the tip.
See you around. What weird-looking guys.
Captain, here come those meteors.
Oh, let's go. We'll have to dodge them.
Buckle up your seatbelt on the Earth or out in space. So when you stop suddenly, you won't bunk your face. Buckle up your seatbelt and you'll ride feeling snug. If you give your seatbelt a try, seatbelt will give you a hug.
Let's go, Rachel. We're going over to Uncle George's house.
Look at that. No more arguments?
Of course not, and I can do it myself. I'm not a baby, you know.
Whatever changed your mind about seatbelts, Rachel?
Oh, I think it was that twisty ride through the meteors. I really needed my seatbelt then. Buckle up your seatbelt when you ride in a car. 'Cause if it's ever gonna stop quick, your seatbelt won't let you go far. Buckle up your seatbelt and you ride feeling snug. If you'll give your seatbelt a try, if you'll give your seatbelt a try, if you do, your seatbelt will give you a hug.